So today I will do the reading aloud. I read this book. I learn about sounds. Okay, everyone, pay attention to me. Now here is the character. First character or the main character is Abid. His name is Abid. Okay, remember. Okay. Abid looks at the vast forest. Today, Father would like to take you to the woods. Who wants to come along? Abid, Mimi, Hakim, horse, and cow all raised their hands. We will stay here and play, says Abid's other friends. All right, but if you need anything, just blow your whistle, okay? Alright, but if you need anything, just blow your whistle, okay? Says father before leaving. The sound of the wind makes the air seem fresher. Clop, clop, clop. Father walks along with Abid, Hakim, and his friends. The path through the forest isn't muddy, so their footsteps sound like marching soldiers. Try to march like a soldier. They walk to the path that they want to do the hiking. Okay, we continue. Breathe. After a short time, they hear the sound of whistle. Father quickly runs back to the tent. It turns out Abid's friends have changed their mind. They want to come along on the hike through the woods. So Abid's friends change their mind and wants to come along on the hike through the woods with other friends and Abid's fathers. The farther they go into the forest, the denser it gets. There is no sound but the sound of their own footsteps, the sounds of insects, and the sound of trickling water. There is a clear stream near here, explains Father. Indeed, not far ahead is a stream. The water is very clean. The water trickles around the rocks and stones. Okay, they hear a deep roar, like water falling from very high up. What is that sound, Father? Asked Abid. It's the sound of a waterfall, says Father. From a hilltop, they can see a beautiful waterfall. The falling water makes a deep booming sound. Faintly, they hear the sound of the woodpecker tapping on a tree. Tock, tock, tock. So, here is stream. Abid's friends are skipping stones at the edge of the lake. It makes a sharp sound when it hits the water, says Rara. Naturally, the sounds of the skipping stones are different depending on the size of the stone. It's like the rhythm two toads make. Crack, crack, splash. So this is Rara and she is skipping stones at the edge of the lake. In the afternoon, everyone gathers outside the tent. Father plays the guitar. The strumming of the guitar is quiet melodic. Strum, strum. Abid and his friends join in, and everyone sings along happily. Abid beats on a bucket. Boom, boom, boom. Mimi even starts banging on a pot. Ting, ting, ting. The others use their hands. Clap, clap, clap. Okay. In the afternoon, father takes down the tent and tells them it's time to go home. It's going to rain soon, says father. Just as father predicts, on the way home, the rain starts to fall. Tough, it's not raining hard. The sound of the rain can be heard from inside the car. The sound of the horn can also be heard. Honk, honk. Suddenly, lightning strikes. Astaghfirullah, says everyone in the car. Their istighfar becomes louder when the thunder sound. Boom! Alhamdulillah, finally they get home safe and sound. It's the end of the story. Thank you very much for paying attention to me. So, see you on the next video. Bye bye.